You're sitting there, everything's fine, and suddenly your brain hits you with a deep feeling of dread, a feeling of impending doom, like something terrible is about to happen. And this isn't just your normal standard anxiety worry, this is absolutely guttural. So why does your chronic anxiety create this particular hell for you? It's your brain's interpretation of a very specific neurochemical cocktail that chronic anxiety can create. When your amygdala is hypersensitive from living with chronic anxiety for a long time, it can overreact to a perceived threat, and instead of just sending out signals to your adrenal glands to release adrenaline like a normal anxious reaction, it goes into overdrive. It does send out the adrenaline, but it also fires off instructions to release cortisol, the stress hormone, and also your level of norepinephrine surges. At the same time, it suppresses GABA, which is your brain's brake pedal. And this exact combination is what's called anticipatory threat processing. Your brain interprets this neurochemical state as something terrible is about to happen. Doom feelings were actually a primitive survival tool. Those ancestors who felt impending danger before the actual threats happened survived longer than those who just generally felt a bit worried. So your modern anxious brain is essentially stuck in there's a predator approaching mode, except there is no predator. This neurochemical cocktail is identical to genuine threat detection, which is why that feeling is so visceral and convincing. And the reason you can't just think your way out of it is because this happens in your limbic system milliseconds before your rational brain even knows what's happening. And your prefrontal cortex, the main part of your brain, is trying to make sense of these alarm bells that are already ringing. Breaking this cycle requires interrupting that chemical, not just managing the thoughts. You can't think your way out of it. Doing bilateral stimulation exercises like alternating heel taps or even cross-lateral movements can reset your nervous system faster than breathing techniques or thinking techniques. You're literally scrambling the doom signal before it forms. If you find this video useful, please follow me so that you don't miss any videos in the future.